lesson, what we're going to do is we are going to see some advanced tips and tricks which you can totally use to enhance your website or to enhance your pages on your Elementor. So for that, we are going to go back to editing the same page with Elementor, which we just created in the few back lessons here. So now guys, you can see that we have this website, but currently this is little bit boring right now. So what you can do over here to enhance this is you can take the help of multiple elements. So let's say we have in the styling part, just right below this background image, we have the attachment over here. So what you're going to do is you are just going to click onto the fixed part over here. And what is going to happen over here is the background is going to get fixed. And when you're going to scroll your website, it is going to look like your background is not moving but the widgets are moving like this. So this usually gives a very cool effect and a very beautiful effect over here. Same thing we can also do with this particular profile up over here. So let's suppose we are going to add a background here first. Let's quickly add one. Let's add this only. Same thing which we are going to do it over here too. In the attachment, just change it to fixed. That's it. So now you can see that we have multiple things which are going up over here like this, and this is giving a very beautiful effect on that. So in this way you can give it a very 3D effects here, and also you can easily be able to explore multiple more things. So this is the one thing which you can do. And if you still remember that we discussed about a thing like a fixed and a non-fixed thing. So let's say, let's go to images. Let's quickly add an image over here, and we're just going to add a small image here. So let's just quickly add this one. So now in order to optimize it and in order to enhance this, there's a very cool trick which you should always use. You just need to click onto this pencil icon and just go to the advanced setting. Once you go to the advanced setting, here you will find multiple things, and what we are looking forward over here is let me check where exactly is that option is. Most probably in the style, content, no. Okay, so here in the advanced only it is. So you can directly go to this advanced part here by clicking onto the image, then the advanced. Then here you will find the option of position. So in this one, you can click on to this absolute one. So what is going to happen over here is that you can easily be able to drag and drop this image from wherever you want. So, and also you can easily resize this too, like this, and then just quickly make it go like little smaller like this. And in this way, what you can do is you can keep this image in two sections like this. Instead of in a single section, you can merge it with the another section like this. So this is what it is going to give you a feel like this. Also what you can do with this one is that you can add a background. So let's say if you're going to go again to the advanced settings here of this image, and if you're going to go to the border, so we can add a background small layer which is basically known as the border, and here we can add at least like 5, and let's make it go like white. So once you're done with this and we're satisfied with the design here, let's quickly place it and let's see how it is looking. So this is how you can compile multiple elements on each other, one on the another. Even same thing you can do with this one too. You can also replace it and keep it down if you wanted to use something like this. But please make sure that any of your elements are not hidden in that case. Let's see how it is looking up over here. We can also shift it a little bit more on the right. Let's say like this, and this is how it is going to look like. So in this way you can directly add multiple things, and you can see the background now. It's looking pretty much more cool over here. And this is the advanced tricks up over here. Apart from that, if you're going to see, let's see more things. So now, okay. So in the same way, this one, if you are going to talk about the image, you can go to the transform one and you can rotate this one up also over here a little bit if you want, something like this. So this is going to give you a very authentic feel that this is totally in the slanting face here. Same thing, what you can do is you can also scale it, you can skew it. Skew, you can see like this, just to give it more 3D feel. So now you can see it's looking like it's going just right outside of the screen up over here. When this is done in a correct way, it is going to give you very beautiful effects on that. So currently I'm just going to make it as default, this one also as default. If you're going to go to the motion effect, you can add the animations in that. Let's say something like this. So these are, guys, few of the quick tips and tricks which you can directly use in order to enhance any sort of boring website to a very beautiful one website over here.